Para si Gio.
O yung ano?
O Mike, meron ba tayong ano dyan? Sound trip.
Sound trip, Chong? Wala eh.
Eh, anong gawin? Ano, beatbox ako, mag-rap ka.
Rap? Okay lang, tol. Wala problema.
Sige, maganda yan.
Umpisa natin. Sige.
Good. Sige, Jihu. Bigyan mo ko ng buga. Habang may tagay at humihitit ng suba. Tara, baguhin natin dito ang tugtugan. Sa larong ito, ang tawag dito ay dugtungan na hindi kayang hulaan. Parang uri ng bugtungan na hindi ka aangat kahit meron ka pang tungtungan. Mataas sa Pinas, akong naghain ng batas na walang papapasukin kahit sino mang ungas.
When it comes to spitting lyrics, my cause is the name. When it comes into the beatbox, who is to blame? Nothing like the rocket science, human beatbox alliance. The bass, the toms, the snares, and with the hi-hats, people will be bumping when you're hearing the sound. The greatest is off, the doers coming straight underground. If you really wanna listen, put this in right up in your brain. So life is dripping, you're tripping, big box is my game.
Ito ang pambansang tunog ng tunog at kalabog. Sa lakas ng kalabog ng ating pambansang tunog na
Buga, boom, boom, buga. J-L-O at G-Who together with Mike Goss.
ito ang pambansang tunog ng tunog at kalabog. Sa lakas ng kalabog ng ating pambansang tunog na
Buga, boom, boom, buga. J-L-O at G-Who together with Mike Goss.
sa bawat iskinit at barangay at mga zona, sa bawat nagwa-YM, Facebook at Dota, babahan ng letra kaya magsuot ng bota. Isasagad ko na kahit lumagpas man sa kota. Parang basuka pag bumuka, pag ako na ngayon nakatoka. Garantisado bawat nota, ewan ko lang kung di ka maloka. Ito lang ang iniisip ko sa aming ginawa. Titirahin mo kaya o gagayahin mo pa nga?
Ultra dynamic, mic mechanic for the fanatics. You feel the static, big box, I am an addict. There's nothing you can do if I've been changing the flow. My amplifier set on fire, vocal cords about to blow. Intentional, you about to know that long ago an article just had to go a vertical, hysterical, a lyrical. Cause I got the urge to edit, the body gets the credit. Just wanna share it, let it fly, you can't inherit.
Ito ang pambansang tunog ng tunog at kalabog. Sa lakas ng kalabog ng ating pambansang tunog na
Buga, boom, boom, buga. J-L-O at G-Who together with Mike Goss.
ito ang pambansang tunog ng tunog at kalabog. Sa lakas ng kalabog ng ating pambansang tunog na
Buga, boom, boom, buga. J-L-O at G-Who together with Mike Goss.
Bumbuga, naiiba ang uri ng tunog. Kahit sinong matamaan, iiwanan kong sunog.
We scorch the fakers tripping, the love in the beat. This song is for the realists who roam in the streets.
Sumuporta na lang sana at huwag ka nang kumontra. Tinira mo ko dahil sa paghanga mo ng sobra.
Ah, yeah, right, I know the feeling. The one who plays the villain will fly out right from the ceiling.
Kung hindi mo maintindihan, pwede kang sumirit. Di ka makakaisa kahit ilang beses sumirit.
There's nothing that you can do, play a game of chess. Do what evil men do, put me to the test, I'm the best. Mapa-English man o Tagalog, paglipat ko ng matayo, ang lahat mabubulabo.
The deadly combination of the beats and the rhyme. And I know that you'll be hearing this, but yet you go blind.
Now repeat that.
Ito ang pambansang tunog ng tunog at kalabog. Sa lakas ng kalabog ng ating pambansang tunog na
Buga, boom, boom, buga. J-L-O at G-Who together with Mike Goss.
ito ang pambansang tunog ng tunog at kalabog. Sa lakas ng kalabog ng ating pambansang tunog.